How to add Fox News channel to your Roku device.
Welcome to this tutorial video. Today, we'll be guiding you on how to add the Fox News channel to your Roku device. Let's get started.
Checking your Roku device.
First, ensure your Roku device is properly set up and connected to the internet. It's also important that you are signed into your Roku account. This will allow you to add channels directly to your device.
Navigating to the Roku Channel Store.
Once you have ensured your device is ready, navigate to the Roku home screen by pressing the Home button on your Roku remote. Look for the Streaming Channels option on the left side of the screen. Select this option to enter the Roku Channel Store.
Searching for the Fox News channel.
In the Roku Channel Store, you will find a search bar at the top of the screen. Here, type in Fox News and hit the OK button on your remote to perform the search.
Adding the Fox News channel to your device.
After hitting the OK button, the Fox News channel should appear in the search results. Highlight the Fox News channel by navigating to it with your remote. Once highlighted, select it to open the channel's details. In the Details page, you will see an option to Add Channel. Click on this option to add the Fox News channel to your Roku device.
Confirming the channel addition.
After clicking the Add Channel button, the channel will begin to download. Once the download is complete, the Fox News channel will appear on your Roku home screen among your other channels. To confirm, go back to your home screen and scroll through your channel list. You should see the Fox News channel on the list. And that's it. You have successfully added the Fox News channel to your Roku device. Now you can enjoy watching Fox News anytime from the comfort of your home. Remember, if you have any issues, Roku provides a comprehensive help center on their website. Happy streaming!